Threat to democracy, that's what presidential bet Grace Poe says about her closest rival, Davao City Mayor Rodrigo Duterte. 3 weeks before May 9, Poe lambast Duterte after his highly controversial rape joke. Poe says Duterte's plans of action on peace and order are threats to the country's democracy and freedom. Duterte says he will eradicate crime and restore peace and order in 3 to 6 months through an iron fist leadership.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Ito po ay banta sa ating kalayaan at demokrasya, yung mga bagay na minumungkahi. Kaya ako'y talagang nababahala ukol dito.
Asked if Duterte will be a dangerous president if he wins, Poe takes a deep breath and says,
Ikinalulungkot ko nga yung aking sariling pananaw ito, no, sa mga minumungkahi. Oo, ito ay para sa akin banta na rin sa mga nagawa natin.
What Duterte meant, according to his camp, is that he wished he arrived sooner so he could have saved the rape victim. But Poe seems unconvinced.
Hindi natin pwedeng sabihin na ito ay reasonable. Hindi ito reasonableng pag-iisip. Kahit na sabihin mo, dahil nga nandun siya mismo sa line of fire or gutter talk, ito po ay nakadirekta sa biktima, hindi dun sa mga nambiktima, yung kanyang statement.
She then hits Duterte for the acts of his supporters who would sometimes harass or threaten media and critics.
Ang totoo niyan, kung anong inaasta ng iyong leader, ganon din ang iaasta ng mga taga-suporta. So pag iniisip nilang tama yung ginagawa niyon, baka lahat tayo ay ganon na rin.
With the recent controversy against Duterte, the new poll frontrunner, the biggest question in everyone's minds, how will this affect Mayor's standing? And will Poe benefit from this latest faux pas? Camila Lamia, Rappler, Espinas City.